Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Cat Sivertsen. I'm a visual artist, and you're here to find out how you can make a beautiful bag out of one of these gorgeous textiles pieces that you've probably connected with me about. This is the bag that can be, this is how the textile can be transferred into a bag. This is what it looks like. And the magical piece of equipment that you need is this Versatility Strap that was created by my cousin, Jacquie Sharpe of Earth Horse Art. If you're more interested in her leather tooled work, I encourage you to have a look at her work. So just bear with me, and I'm going to show you how you can create this bag out of one of these. First of all, I'm just going to show you how these beautiful scarves lay up on you. These are really lightweight, and so that you can make them as tight or as loose as you want. But for this purpose, I'm going to show you how. All you need to do is fold it in half, and the straps were inspired by a design company called Jacquie out of France, and you need a 1 square meter of fabric ish. And what you're going to do is you're going to fold this 1 by 2 in half like this, and then you're going to fold it on the diagonal like this. Take one end, tie it into a knot, take the opposite corner, tie that into a knot, and you need to take quite a bit of fabric to do this. And what you're doing right now is you're creating the body of the bag. So here we have, now the square is turned into a triangle. You're going to open up the triangle and you're going to flip it the other way around. So you turn it basically inside out. Fold, ooh, come on, there we go. Fold it again. Take these opposite corners with the strap. And you can see here that the strap has two ends that are beautifully cut, and these have been reinforced with 2 layers stitched of natural leather. And I'm just going to show you very quickly how you do that. So you're going to take the strap and you're going to work on it the way that you want it to lay up. So you're going to use the rough edge on the inside, and you're going to take the corner, poke it up through the one side, pull that through, go around the back, pull a little bit more, smooth that out, go around the back and back in the other side. And what you're doing is you're pulling it through, pull it relatively tight, and just like tying a man's tie, or Windsor knot, I suppose. Is that what they're called? I don't know. Anyway, poke that through, down, and secure that. So just pull it tight like this. Then you're going to go over to the other side, the other corner, and you can see it sort of looks like this at the moment. You're going to do exactly the same. Poke that through. I get confused at this point. Yeah, poke it through, coming through this way. Pull it tight. Pull probably a good 8 inches. I don't know, what's that in centimeters? 8 times 2.5. 20 centimeters. There we go. 20 centimeters. Wrap it around the back. And poke that through the other slit there. And you want to pull it through down to the bottom here. because, whoops, what you're going to do, oh, sorry, my mistake. No, you're not. I crack myself up sometimes. You're going to pull it up to the top and then match the other side by poking it down. There we go. Okay, here we go. So now you take these corners, tuck them in, the opposite corners or the alternate corners, and there you are. There's a beautiful bag. Look at that. Look at that. And you could use this with a repurposed fabric, like, you know, a piece of fabric or an old linen tablecloth that you might find in the secondhand store. But the problem with that is that, you know, you have to wait and you have to figure out the weight of the fabric. So you don't want the fabric to be too heavy so that it's too bulky to fit into these delicate stuff. And there you go. Very substantial bag to fill a lot of stuff. Enjoy.